Hello everyone, today I'm going to cut some rocks. I'm also going to give you a heads up. We have finally got the non-uniform stone wire weave tutorial on its way. I have already done the recording, I just have to do some editing. I got a lot of interruptions and so I've got a lot to edit. That should be coming up in the next few days, week-ish, somewhere around there. I promise it's on the top of my priority list. It's a good one. You can wrap just about anything you've got with this wrap. It's so versatile. And yeah, so be looking for that. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed so you don't miss it. Let's cut some rocks. All right, so let's cut some rocks. I'm going to do these 3. These are some rocks that I have found over the years of rock hounding. So there's that one. This one here I think is going to yield some interesting results. And this one. This is one that I have been interested in since I found it. I have no idea how you get patterns like that, but I'm going to cut into it and see what it looks like. All right, time to see what we've got. There's this one. Well, that one's not quite what I was expecting to find. Still pretty in its own way. Definitely not what I was thinking it would be. All right, set that one off to the side. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. All right, now we've got this one. Not real sure what I'm going to find here. I'm just going to set it down so I can actually use my hands. Oh, okay. I like that. That's pretty. I haven't quite gotten very handy with the saw yet. I am learning. That's really pretty though. I like that. Here's the one with the really interesting pattern on it. Let's see. Ooh. Wow. That is awesome. Okay, I have no idea what these rocks are. I'm confident this is some kind of jasper. Definitely let me know in the comments if you have a clue what these things are. Wow, that one looks like a sunset on a horizon. That is awesome. Okay, that's my favorite one of this round for sure. All right, I'm having so much fun with this rock saw that I'm going to cut these also. This one, and then this one I'm just going to cut a little chunk off of it and see what it looks like inside. Also going to cut this one. All right, are we ready? Here, I'm going to do it this way this time. Okay, let's do this one first. Whoa, all right, that one's cool. Nice. That's neat. I like it. Let's see what this side looks like. I really like that. That's pretty. Okay, next one. Do this one next. Another one. Gosh, that is so pretty. To me, that is beautiful. I don't know if anyone else shares my opinion, but I think that is gorgeous. That's amazing. There's just so much character in it. Okay. Alrighty. Now the little baby one with all the pretty bright colors. Oh, nice. Oh, I really like that. It's pretty. I have no idea what it is, but it sure is pretty. Oh, that is so beautiful. I want a cabochon out of this one. All right, that's it for that batch.